My video guide is about removing the ransomware called DAZ, D-A-Z. DAZ is the ransomware that we found while looking through new submissions to the virus total database. We found out that this malicious program belongs to the decrypt ransomware family. So you can now clearly see that there are no troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data can be opened easily without any troubles at all. Regretfully, because of some existing vulnerabilities in the system, this DAZ ransomware may be injected into the computer easily. Then pretty soon people realize that something really bad has happened with their data, and all the data got encrypted and damaged. This DAZ ransomware damages pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation. All sorts of data, unfortunately, is vulnerable after this DAZ ransomware injects the computer. Now, the titles of the compromised files are appended with the special unique ID. Then the cyber criminal's email address is added, and finally this DAZ extension is also added. So now I will demonstrate to you what happens with the files. For instance, I had this file named charger.jpg. So after it got encrypted, as I said, the unique identifier was added, email address, and finally this DAZ extension. The same applies to all other files, even though this unique ID will be different for every damaged computer. Now, the ransomware instructs its victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. The ransom note indicates that people need to pay that ransom to regain access to their files. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be recovered. By the way, a good idea is that you go to the task manager and check the list of the processes. Sometimes you may discover this DAZ ransomware through the task manager by a special process with a long random name. If you find it, it's a good idea that you right-click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption, and this can help you save some of the files from being damaged, which is a very good idea. So now you can see that some files I had, they are saved because I was able to stop this malicious process of the ransomware ahead of time through the task manager. And of course, you should never pay the ransom, because this is just a waste of your money. This is the ransom note, by the way. It says that all your files have been encrypted, and it says some other information like the contact details of these criminals, but there is no point to contact them because there is no guarantee that your data will be restored anyway. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately, and my suggestion is that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner through this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. In your case, the program, Combo Cleaner, should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is, of course, crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. So please go to Settings, select Anti-Ransomware tab, And this is where you can add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, as I said, is the part of the premium license only. But you can always request for the free trial to evaluate this feature. Anyway, the scanning itself will take some minutes, I would say. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is, and it may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. Then, at the end of the scan, Combo Cleaner Antivirus will give you the summary of the threats which were found. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. And I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected. So the first threat was found so far. As I said, there may be some other threats revealed depending on how infected the system is. Please upgrade to premium. This will protect your data from being damaged in the future.